Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a pangolin. These animals are so cool and they're really fun to draw. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's draw with our paper horizontal so that we have room for the long body. We're going to start with the eye and draw it here on the left side. We can draw a circle. And then let's draw the small circle in the top left so that our eyes look shiny. We can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Okay, now for the top of the head, we're going to draw it curving over the eye. And then for the nose, let's come down a little more and then a diagonal line down to the left. And then we can curve around and we're going to turn this into the jaw and underneath the head. And I'm going to curve up and we'll stop there. Well, let's go a little higher and then we can draw the ear right here. Then we can also draw the nose. We'll draw a little curve and a smile. If I ever go too fast, remember to pause the video for extra time. Okay, and then we can also color in the nose. Now let's draw the neck coming down to the right. And we can draw the first leg. We'll draw it right here. We'll draw a diagonal line going the opposite way. And then we can curve around. And then we're going to come back up into the body. And we can make it look 3D by drawing the other leg on the other side, but only part of it since it's behind this first one we drew. Then we can draw the belly. We're going to imagine the neck going behind this leg and then coming out and curving a little up towards the back. Then we can also draw the back leg. We'll draw a line straight down. Then we can draw the toes coming forward and we're going to come down so that it lines up with the front leg. Then we can curve around and up. Okay, now let's draw the back of our pangolin. We're going to draw it curving and S curving down further and then maybe up just a little. Now we're going to finish the tail after we draw the armor and we're going to start at the head. So first let's draw, this is going to be really fun, but it might take us a minute to kind of get it all in there. We're going to draw these really cool leaf shapes or letter V's on their side. So let's draw the first piece of armor right here on the forehead. And then we can draw the leaf shape coming back and in. We're going to go over the eye. Let's draw another little one. And we can mix up these shapes. So some of them are bigger and some are smaller. Then let's draw right here. Let's draw one over the forehead. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line going up. Then we can draw another sideways letter V here. And we're going to alternate in between. So this one can go up and then we can add another sideways letter V in between. Also, don't worry about making these armor pieces exactly like mine. You can also just fill it in. Don't worry about following the exact same shapes I'm drawing. It might be a little too challenging to try to draw them exactly the same. I'm going to just try to alternate in between. So this one's going to go behind the ear. And there's the head. So now we can go down the body. Let's keep going and we'll alternate. Let's go down here also and start on the neck. And then we can draw one next to the ear. And then here to connect. I think it might be easiest if we just do it one row at a time. So we can start back down here again. We're going to draw the letter V, sideways letter V in between. Then we'll do another one here. We'll keep going until we get back up to the back or the top. And then let's just repeat. We'll keep going. So this part we can fast forward since we're going to just repeat the same steps. it'll take us a while if we if we don't fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to add these scales or armor pieces on your pangolin too. I'm gonna let's draw one down here. See how they're getting a little small? The armor pieces are getting smaller. I'm gonna change that and try to make them bigger on the body. Let's see, yeah, see how those are a lot bigger? I'm gonna try to make them bigger across the body. And then when we go down the tail, we'll get smaller. Let's fast forward this part. We're gonna go all the way down to the tail. I'm almost to the end of the tail. I'm also trying to come down a little lower too. So we got all these little pieces coming in, and then right here at the end, let's add one more here, and then we'll draw the end of the tail curving into that last armor piece. And then down the bottom of the tail, I'm gonna draw the armor pieces kind of spiky down at the bottom. Yeah, that looks really cool. And then we can also add a few spikes coming down the leg here, and maybe on the side of the body. Oh, and here on the front leg. Let's also add the armor pieces coming down the front of the leg. So we're gonna draw letter V's going down, and we can switch between them. And then maybe one more row. And then we got to draw the talons. I'm going to just draw upside down letter U's. And then we can draw armor on the other side too. Oh, I just realized we don't have the last foot over here. We can just draw a little piece sticking out. Let's also draw the claws on this foot and the other one. And then we can draw a few armor pieces coming down the back leg. We're all finished drawing, but we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video, take extra time to color your drawings, and also even add a background. We're all finished coloring our pangolin. It turned out awesome. I really hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. You can pause the video to match my same coloring, or like always, you can change the colors any way you want. And remember to add a background. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.